Altronics PowerQuest touchscreen control system is a complete standalone system that replaces primitive mechanical rocker switches with state-of-the-art touchscreen using solid-state digital switching technology. The PowerQuest system comprises of a billet-housed color touchscreen display that is glove-friendly, along with a solid-state self-fusing power control module capable of handling up to 30 amps per channel. PowerQuest features 8 control channels, which includes 6 predefined and 2 custom switches. PowerQuest offers an optional expansion module for a total of 16 channels with 10 custom switches. Each switch can be turned on and off individually. Switches can also be programmed to automatically turn on and off with a time delay after the starter is engaged. To configure a switch, enter the configuration menu and select the switch. You can adjust the auto on time delay and the max fuse current level for each switch. Certain switches have additional features such as a limit control. The fan and water pump switches can be activated from a temperature sensor that allows for a temperature set point along with hysteresis. All channels have a soft start feature. This allows power to be brought in slowly so that components like pumps, fans, and motors do not cause a surge when turned on. Custom switch channels can be labeled for the appropriate components they control. Select Modify Label from the Config menu and use the keyboard to type a new label. PowerQuest Display Current feature allows you to enable and display the current draw on each switch channel. From the configuration menu, enable Display Current. Now you can see on each switch icon a numeric readout shows the amperage draw. PowerQuest allows for an optional expansion module that expands the system to 16 channels. The additional 8 channels are all customizable. After the expansion module is connected, the channels can be enabled from the configuration screen. Each channel can be set to soft start, momentary actuation, auto on enable, max current level, and custom label features. The LCD brightness and sleep time can also be adjusted from the configuration screen. PowerQuest features a lockout screen to prevent access to the switch panel. The lock screen can be set with a user key code to gain access. Through the lock screen, the user can also put the screen to sleep. Simply touching the screen again will wake the system up. Sleep will also automatically be enabled if the system has not been used during the sleep time set in the configuration screen. The PowerQuest module is made to be simple to wire. Provide battery power to the battery lug and a ground wire to chassis or battery ground. Always connect the ground wire first. Then connect the cable from the touchscreen to the display port. Next, connect the temperature sensor to the terminals on the temperature port. Then each switch output can be connected to the appropriate component using the correctly marked terminal. System status is shown on the status LEDs. An LED for each switch channel will light when the switch is on. For more information on the PowerQuest system, please visit our website at altronicsinc.com.